Assalamualaikum students, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about scope of physics. So let's start the video. Physics helps us to understand how the world around us works. Physics is the science that helps us understand various natural phenomena. We use physics in our daily life activities like walking, plucking DNA, in cooking, in a cutting and in a watching, etc. Physics also helps in developing new technology to ease our lives, like a car, a bulb, a laptop, mobile phone, a camera, etc. If you are a mature person, then you must think that how did the universe begin? What is the fate of the universe in the end? How did life evolve from non-living matter? Why does time seem to flow only in one direction? What is a matter made of? Where do ultra-high energy particles come from? How big is space? Why is the night sky dark? How does lightning happen? What are the forces controlling nature in the universe? Is there a theory that can describe everything? Can we find a unified theory of physics? And many more. So if you think such questions, then you should study physics properly. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.